This is crazy.
Alfred Hitchcock definitely was inspired by Bucharest.
That's a lot of fucking birds.
Don't open the window.
Yeah, we're gonna have a whole bunch of birds in here if we do that. What the? Oh my god.
Danny, you have to come see this. There is some kind of plague is upon us. It's the end of days right now.
It's a bird NATO of some sort.
What the fuck just happened?
The sacrifice has gone
Look,
on
there are all
this
of these
planet.
trees.
Yeah, they're
You see
everywhere.
this? Rachel, look at that tree over there. Come here. Look at this fucking tree. There's like more birds than leaves.
That is so spooky. What? Is this like the thought train but for birds?
I don't know. I can definitely see how all creepy things were inspired by Romania.
Yeah.
The creepiest place I've